All right, the next product that we're going to talk about is our water safety station. This is another product that we recognize the need for out in the community when we're out on boats, boat docks, and out in the country around water. We're a long ways away from medical care. And again, like we've talked about this whole time, you're tired of me saying it, but we're trying to bridge that gap, trying to buy time for rescuers to get there. What we're finding out in the rural areas that it might be upwards of 15 to 20 minutes for fire department to get there and start to render aid. So we need to be able to bridge that gap. So what we've created is our water safety kit. It's an 8x6x4 enclosure. It's airtight, it's watertight. It can go under an awning. People are mounting them right on boat docks out in the open every single day around the country. And inside our bag here, this bag can go right into boats if they don't want to mount it anywhere. But inside of our bag, we have our general bleeding control equipment. So we have our combat application tourniquet. We have 2 pressure bandages. We have sterile gauze, the 2 pair of nitrile gloves, a pair of trauma shears, the little Sharpie instructions on how to use all this stuff. We also have a rescue whistle for rescue in here. It's a P-less rescue whistle. Water rescue glow stick. CPR instructions in case somebody is unsure or forgetful on how to administer CPR. We have O2 administration stuff for CPR and rescue breathing. But then we also have our 1UP throwable flotation device. This thing is fantastic. Basically, most people can throw it about 100 feet. Somebody that's drowning out in the open, you're gonna access this kit, open it up right away. You're going to be able to throw this right to them in the water. There's a sensor in here that reacts with the CO2 cartridge. The CO2 cartridge opens up and this expands into a life preserver for that person. There's a little carabiner on it, so if you want to go with it, you're putting it on your belt, you jump in the water, it's going to open up right away. So cutting edge stuff Tlaco Safety Solutions is bringing to you and your community to help bridge that gap between time of injury and the time that paramedics get there. Tlaco Safety Solutions, creating safety through preparedness.